Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you exactly how to resize photos on a Mac. So right here I have a photo. And checking the info, you can see the size is currently 6,000 pixels. Now let's go ahead and resize this image. First, go ahead and right-click on the photo. Select Open With and then choose the Preview app. Once Preview is open, head up to Tools on the menu bar and then select Adjust Size. Right here, you'll see the width and height sections. If the measurement unit is currently set to centimeters, I recommend switching it to pixels since that's more standard. Now you can enter the new dimensions for the photo. You simply need to enter the width or the height, and the other side will automatically adjust to maintain the original aspect ratio of the image. After entering your new numbers down at the bottom, it'll show you the new dimensions and the estimated file size. Go ahead and click OK. And just like that, the photo has been resized to the exact dimensions you chose. Scenario number 2. Let's say you want to resize a photo that's already inside the Photos app. First, select the photo. As you can see here, this one is currently 3,000 pixels. To resize this, simply right-click on the image, go to Edit With, and then select Preview. From here, just like before, go up to the Tools menu and hit Adjust Size. Once you're done, go to the File menu and click Save. Now, the image inside your Photos library has been resized. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.